Let us now move on to another global figure that we have. Dr. Suraj Gamande is sitting here with us from the USA. डॉक्टर सूरज, यू हेल फ्रॉम संगमनेर. आप संगमनेर में रहते थे, यहाँ के एक परिवार से थे, सर्वसाधारण बैकग्राउंड से थे, और वहां से लेकर न्यूयॉर्क की आपकी क्या जर्नी है और क्या आपने स्ट्रगल्स देखे, संक्षिप्त में हमें बताइए सर.
Thank you, Rishika ji. First of all, I would like to thank our JPM founder, Dr. Sudhir Jitambe Sahib, Durga Tai ji, and organizer like local team, Sandeep ji and Jagdani Kaka, and all the portfolio members. And I would also like to thank our global coordinators. Such a great conference we are having, and I can say this is the first time we are having this such a platform and talking on the different subjects. So when it comes to me, I come from very humble background. I was born and brought up in small village called Potri Haveli in Sangamner, which is located in also Maharashtra. My family's main source of income came through the farming, and I have 5 siblings. And it was very difficult for my parents to prioritize and spend on each kid's education or the other things. But I was motivated to study and progress in my life. So I took small jobs during nights to support my education. And I kept chasing my dreams. Our one of the speaker, Siddharth Mukherjee said that, chase your dream, that's dhara. And so I was like that. And through hard work and persistence, I did my master in Chandigarh. Then I moved to Australia to do my PhD. And then after my PhD, I got an offer from Purdue University in USA to do my postdoctoral training. I had a scholarship and awards throughout my education. And because of the hard work I had put in. Obviously, my family and friends like Satyajit Tambe always stood with me through thick and thin. So initially in USA, I struggled a lot to find a job due to immigration policies. We have Neeraj over here. He can he can tell his struggle in hours and hours and how we immigrants struggle over here. But that teaches us keep fighting. And then also the biggest motivation I had, that was my wife. They say behind every successful man there stands a strong and motivated woman. And then my wife she kept me motivating, and I also made my mind to set that never give up. As Rishika ji said that with US government fundings, I was able to secure dual position at different places on the basis of pure determination and perseverance. Yes, that is true that I'm living the dream of life. But I'm still very connected with my roots. And आपण जे म्हणतो ना की किती मोठे झालो तरी आपण आपल्या ज्या मातृभूमीचे कर्जदार असतो आणि आमची माती आमची माणसं. That's why that cord always with me, and that's why I became a Jai Hind People's Movement Global Coordinator to contribute towards the people through JPM and help youths to fight the odds and just stay positive. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Suraj. I think the audience is very well versed with the 5 speakers we have here. And it is very exciting to say that we have such a diverse background, everybody moving in steps of leaderships in different ways. But the only points that I picked up, the important ones from all 5 of your introductions, was that there was hard work, there was persistence, and there was a willingness to do something good in this world, is why all of you are sitting here with us today. So thank you so much again.